Hi, welcome to another update video of the Centennial Corridor construction project here in Bakersfield, California. My name is Dylan Connor and I'm a licensed drone pilot here with the Heightened perspective. And this video is part 18 in the Centennial Corridor series, which I started over 2 years ago. Today is Sunday, July 25th, and we are here on the west side of Highway 99, looking at the southbound Ming Avenue off-ramp and checking out some of the progress that has taken place since our last video back in April. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to this channel, The Heightened Perspective, and go back through some of the other videos that have been made on this project. It really is amazing to see all the progress and development that has been made over the last 2 years. I can only imagine what it will look like once it is all completed. So once you subscribe, be sure to turn on the notifications from the Heightened Perspective channel so that you will be notified as I upload new videos. And now here we are facing to the north. We are directly above the new merge lanes that are connecting to the southbound Highway 99 and also the off-ramp to Ming Avenue. We are looking at the interchange of Highway 99 where it connects with Highway 58. And for any of you who might be directionally challenged, to the right is east and to the left is west. On the far side, we can see Wible Road running adjacent the east side of Highway 99, and there's a look at the new Belle Terrace overpass. Now, after a location change, we have moved further west, looking up at the eastbound Highway 58. And all those columns we see are going to merge the 99 northbound over to the Centennial Corridor. And again, if you enjoy watching these update videos of the Centennial Corridor project and would like to show your support to us here at the Heightened Perspective, maybe buy me lunch or a nice bottle of bourbon, or even help us to update our equipment, please send tips by going to www.paypal.me/theheightenedperspec. There is also a clickable link inside the description section of this video. We really appreciate the support. So here we are right over the railroad overpass as we scan our way over to get a good look at the Stockdale Highway Overpass. And there's been a lot of progress on this section as well. It is amazing to see the transformation here. This is where the Centennial Corridor will cross over Stockdale Highway at the original Stein Road. And let's get one more good look around before I move my location to the north side of Stockdale Highway and we change our perspective. And there we go, now on the north side of Stockdale Highway, looking back to the south. We see the overpass there at Ford Avenue and again at Stockdale. And to all of the people involved in the vision, development, and construction of this project, I extend my sincerest gratitude and appreciation for all of your hard work. We want to thank each and every one of you for the continued efforts in completing this massive upgrade to our city. Now let's head back up to the north along the Centennial corridor. Here we get a good view of the La Mirada overpass, and if you look just there to the left of the bridge, you can actually see me standing there next to that light post. And currently, we can see Morella Way is closed as the overpass here gets constructed. And I just had another location change as we are continuing north above the Centennial corridor, coming up to the overpass at California Avenue. And there I am again on the left inside the cul-de-sac. This next section is one of my favorite parts of the project, as they are continuing the construction of the bridge going over the canal and connecting the Centennial corridor to the West Side Parkway. Again, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching our videos, and especially those of you who have followed along with the development of this project. If you enjoy these videos and would like to show your support for us here at the Heightened Perspective, please send tips by going to www.paypal.me/theheightenedperspec. Every little bit helps and is greatly appreciated. And again, there's a clickable link inside the description of this video. And thank you all for watching. I am Dylan with the Heightened Perspective.